my name is Laura Hertle, and today we are going to learn how to do a colonial holiday craft called an apple pomander. So the materials that you need to make an apple pomander are apples, whole cloves, ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. But really, you can use whatever spices you choose. We also need a pair of scissors and ribbons of your choice. So what the first step is creating your own pattern. We are going today do a zigzag pattern. You take the whole clove and you stick it right into the apple, just all the way in. And we are going to start creating our pattern this way. Once you've completed your design, the next step is to put the spices on the apple. So I'm going to put this into the ginger first. You just simply roll it in. You want to be careful that the cloves aren't falling out. And just really mix that in good. We're going to use the nutmeg next. Smells so good, smells like apple pie here. Then we're gonna use the cinnamon. And what I like to do is just rub it in a little bit. Make sure you've got it all on there pretty good. So now, the next step is using the ribbon. This is how I do it. You can obviously do it your own way. I'm going to first take this red ribbon here, put it underneath the apple, make sure that it's even, and then I'm going to bring up the sides, and we're going to crisscross at the top, kind of like that. Then we're going to flip the apple over, and then we are going to knot it on the bottom. Make sure it's nice and tight, because this is going to be the base of the pomander. So once it's knotted on the bottom, you can take a second piece of ribbon. We use the green with this, and we are going to loop it right at the top here. And you can make it however long you want. So let's do it about this long. And you're gonna knot at the top, but don't knot it all the way down. Just tie it like that. I'm going to get the scissors, cut off the extra, and then you can hang this on whatever doorknob or hanging you'd like. And this is your apple pomander in your room. It's going to smell very, very nice.